In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you quickly through how to do a bicep curl with a medicine ball or slam ball. Now, firstly, if you're watching this thinking, why would you possibly want to do a bicep curl with one of these slam balls or med balls? Why don't you just do this with a dumbbell or alternatively a barbell? That is a really good question. And the reason why is because you might be doing a circuit with a med ball where you want to put in a bicep exercise. So it'd be more of a cardiovascular style of exercise. You could combine this with different exercises, put it as part of a larger circuit, and that's why we're going through this demonstration. If you obviously want to progressively overload your biceps, there are better ways to do it, but it doesn't mean it's a bad exercise for those wanting to incorporate this into more of a cardiovascular style medicine ball or slam ball workout. Now, firstly, I'm going to pick up this slam ball, and what I'm going to do is I want to make sure that I don't have my hands too far down to the bottom of the ball. Now, what's going to happen is if I come up and I come up too quickly, I haven't got any security on the sides of the ball, which means it could flip out of my hand and could also hit you in the face because you're going to bring your bicep up and it's going to be traveling into the position of your head. So you definitely don't want that. What I want you to do is have your hands on the side of the ball, and I want you to imagine you're actually trying to push into the ball. So that's going to create a little bit of security when you do the exercise. Feet are hip width apart, brace your core, you're going to be looking up, and then your elbows stay into your body as you come up and back down. You can touch the chest at the top, or you can also touch your thighs or your lower abdomen at the bottom, and then you would repeat this for your desired amount of repetitions. So let's go through that again. You've picked up the ball that you're using. From here, you're going to squeeze into the ball with your hands. You've got your chest up, you're looking forward, feet hip width apart. From here, shoulders back, and you're going to curl the ball up, not using any momentum from your hips. It's a straight curl, arms completely lengthened as much as possible at the bottom, and a big contraction of the biceps at the top. That's how to do a medicine ball or slam ball bicep curl, and you would repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions.